Oh, this one's not going to turn out well. Okay, put your head underwater for a while.
Like a Band-Aid.
No, I'm not doing it like, more, get it? Yeah, there you go. Lift your head up. Lift your head up higher. No, okay. Lift your head up. Now go that way. It's in my face. It's going to happen.
It's in my eyes. It burns. Ow, it fucking hurts. Ow.
Time. Okay.